Introduction to LeechBlock.
LeechBlock is a free browser extension for Chrome and Firefox designed to help you block distracting websites. Whether you want to reduce social media use, improve productivity, or set focus periods, LeechBlock gives you powerful, customizable tools to take control of your browsing habits. Let's learn how to set it up and tailor it to your needs.
Installing LeechBlock on your browser.
To get started, visit your browser's extension store and search for LeechBlock. Click Add to Chrome or Add to Firefox to install. Once added, look for the LeechBlock icon near your address bar. Clicking it will open the settings page where you'll do all your configuration.
Setting up block sets.
LeechBlock lets you create multiple block sets, groups of sites to limit. On the settings page, click a block set, then enter the URLs you want to restrict, like facebook.com or youtube.com. You can add multiple sites, separated by commas or spaces. This allows you to target exactly which websites tend to drain your time.
Customizing blocking rules and time schedules.
For each block set, you can choose when and for how long to block your chosen sites. Set daily schedules or time limits, like only allowing 15 minutes per hour, or blocking sites during work hours. LeechBlock also has options for blocking on specific days, great for planning focused work sessions or digital detox periods.
Enforcing stronger restrictions.
LeechBlock includes features for stricter control, such as requiring a random character code to change settings, hiding the extension from easy removal, or forcing a wait period to disable a block. These options make it harder to bypass your own rules if you're feeling tempted.
Tips for effective use.
To get the most from LeechBlock, start by blocking your biggest distractions on a moderate schedule. Review your productivity after a week and adjust settings to match your goals. Combine LeechBlock with positive routines, like using break times for relaxation, and you'll see the benefits of better focus and fewer interruptions.